Hey everyone, welcome the AutoReport channel. In today's video, I have some exciting news for you. Volkswagen has announced that it will build the next generation all-electric Golf hatchback at its home factory in Wolfsburg. But what does this mean for the future of the Golf and the other models? And how will they compare to the current ID? Family of electric vehicles? Let's find out. So, Volkswagen has revealed its vehicle allocation plan for the German factories until 2028, and there are some interesting changes in store. The most notable one is that the upcoming all-electric Golf, which is expected to debut in 2028 as well, will be built at the Wolfsburg factory, where the current Golf is also produced. This means that the Golf will continue to be a core model for VW even as it transitions to a fully electric platform. The new Golf will be based on the SSP architecture, which is a successor to the Modular Electric Drive Toolkit (MEB) platform that underpins the ID. The SSP platform will also be used for other models that will be built at the Wolfsburg factory, such as a new electric A-segment SUV that will start production in 2026. This will be a city car that will compete with the likes of Renault Zoe and Peugeot E208. It is likely to be a version of the rumored ID, one which is supposed to be a successor to the E-Up electric city car that VW currently sells in Europe. Another model that was originally planned for the Wolfsburg factory is the Project Trinity sedan, which is supposed to be a flagship model for VW that will showcase its technological prowess. However, VW has decided to move the production of Project Trinity to the Zwickau facility, where the ID.3, Idaho, 5 and Cupra Born are assembled. However, this also means that Project Trinity will not start production until 2028 or later, as it will have to wait for the MEB production cycle to end at Zwickau. Project Trinity is supposed to be a highly automated and connected sedan that will offer a new level of user experience and personalization. It will also have a range of over 600 kilometers, 373 miles on a single charge. In related news, VW has also announced that it will suspend production of the ID.3 and Cupra Born at the Zwickau and Dresden plants in Germany for the first 2 weeks of October due to low demand. This is a surprising move, as these models are supposed to be popular and competitive in the European electric car market. However, it seems that VW has overestimated the demand for these models or underestimated the competition from other brands. So, what do you think of VW's plans for its future electric models? Are you excited about the all-electric Golf and the new city car? Or are you more interested in Project Trinity and the ID family? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.